Hi everyone, welcome back to a new episode of How to Login. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how you can log in to your CoinStats account. Keep watching the video till the end. To log into your CoinStats account, firstly open your CoinStats application. The official page of CoinStats application will appear on the screen. Tap on Sign In option at the bottom of the page. Now, to log into your CoinStats account, enter your email address and password associated with your CoinStats account and tap on Sign In. Click on an eye icon to check if you have entered your password correctly or not. You can also log into your CoinStats account with your wallet, Twitter, Facebook or Google account as well. This is how you can log into your CoinStats account quickly and easily just in few steps. If you have any thoughts or queries, let us know in the comment section. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Also press the notification bell icon so that YouTube will notify you whenever we post a new video. I hope this video was helpful to you. Thank you so much for watching.